Sino ba si Sharon Cuneta sa likod ng kamera?
Kilala ba ni Sharon Cuneta ang sarili niya?
Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng megastar para kay Sharon Cuneta?
Let's face it, Sharon, ang daming nagtatanong dyan. You know, lumaki si Sharon, was eating a coping mechanism?
I eat when I'm happy. I eat.
Pero you're an emotional eater then.
Yes.
Many
Yes.
people are. Even
No,
I am.
but I realized
Depression
that-
is chocolate, ah.
Parang kasi when I was very thin na, I remember asking myself in 1987, oh my God, ano pa po problemahin ko ngayon na kaya? Parang you have no control over your spouse, your partner in a marriage, only yourself. So sa akin, nakokontrol ko kakain ba ako, sexy ba ako, ganyan. So parang, ano na, wala na akong pwede i-control. Wala na akong ano, parang takot ako sa problemang galing sa labas.
To close our interview, 30 years in show business, do you fear that one day you will no longer be famous?
I think it would be so hypocritical to say, no, di ba? Dadating yung time na yung fame mo, meron mang matira, hindi na yung ganito ka, parang lagi may fireworks pagka ano.
You've always known that you're more than smart.
Yeah.
When you give in to your, parang you compromise your peace ba? For passion. Parang in the end, kunya nakuha mo yung passion, even if you win, you lose. Kasi parang wala ka namang ano. So yung peace of mind, malaking kapalit.
In other words, peace is longer than
It is, or at least we hope it will be. But there are gifts that only passion can bring.